Yeah, it's a shame, a bit of a damp day today. I got the side panels to do. Just prepped them, ready for the sanding and taking these down to bare metal. They are not that good. So the job progresses. Done the windscreen last week. This is the old rubber. You can see it's actually painted over. What I normally do is mask out the rubber when I do it in sprays. And I did a little bit this morning in between showers, but it's limited to what I can do. So well, there's the windscreen. It's now been new Clayton Wright rubber sealed. All the welding's completed. I've been working around bits of the machine. As I said earlier, the engine's painted. The bonnet's going to come off. There's two screws there which are really tight, now slackened off, so I'm ready for getting the bonnet off. The wings section and the cab has been rubbed back on this side and filled where required. The back panel has been sanded this morning, and that was taken right back to bare metal. The same treatment will be done on the other side. So the thing that's beating me really is the weather. It's trying to get jobs done between showers. I've had a bit of a tidy up in the workshop and the garage as well. That's the other project I got to do, is the Heister D4 winch, the military winch to fit back to the, well, to fit onto the machine, which is third in line project. So unfortunately today the weather's beating me. I've managed to scrape about an hour and a half's work out of the machine to get it close to where they want to be. This is the next side to do. I'm going to take that back to bare metal as the other side. The plan on the front is to remove the scraper bars, front and rear, on the front roll, and paint them off the machine and bolt them on when the machine's sprayed. I can have a better quality paint finish. Cab interior is the next. I may do that later on today. That's going to be quite a dusty job. So she is progressing, but as I say, the sun's out now. It's lovely and sunny now, but my next stage now is to get inside the cab and rub that down and progress the job. On the bonnet, I'm going to take the bonnet off. The bonnet's in two sections, so it'll come off in two sections and will be rubbed down in two sections. So I could do that on the bench. It's much easier to do off the machine than on it. There's a couple of beating tin work to sort out, a couple of very minor dents, but I'll knock that back with my hammer and my dolly to get it get a nice finish. Any imperfections will be taken out using filler. So that's it for the moment. So from a very wet South Wales valleys, see you next time.